People on that site, projects coming forward, anything else you can talk about? Why have so many different advisors and people? Do you know that's how you make something a massive success? And then what other projects can you talk about? And then I want to play a couple more videos.
Look, I do want to talk about Corrupted, which is an interesting name in the world of Web3, right? But there's a reason behind it. Again, this is off of the Scottie Pippen, entry point, what we knew we were doing. So Corrupted is our entry into our original lifestyle brand. You'll be seeing a Corrupted hoodie with a really sick looking logo. But what is really Corrupted?
I get one, I assume.
You're gonna get one.
Okay, cool.
You'll get one. I have to get you a medium or a large?
Medium's good.
Medium, good. You're pretty muscular. So Corrupted, we're going to start off by selling 7,777 corrupted bots. These are sentient, programmable robots. It's pretty sick what we did. We spent almost the better part of a year designing this. These bots are all unique one-of-ones. So it's all kinds of different robots. They all have one thing in common. They've got a monitor, either in their head or in their body, a screen. At the time that you purchase them, you buy them as Corrupted. There is a white noise glitch that animates in their head on that monitor. So it's a Corrupted. And there's a backstory, of course, to how they became Corrupted. And it's really about an evil force that doesn't want to see the decentralized world succeed. But these bots are corrupted when you buy them. Now here's the cool thing. Not only is Corrupted its own lifestyle brand, but it's the conduit into some of the biggest fashion collaborations in the space, in the world. At random, of the 7,777 bots that are originally put out, many times during the course of the year, about 4, all of a sudden, 2,000 of those bots, randomly, the corruption in the head and the white noise glitch goes away. And what appears across it? Let's say it's Dior. A Dior code appears, a collaboration code. Your bot, if you're one of the fortunate recipients where the glitch is gone and the collaboration partner's code appears, you've got 48 hours, 72 hours. If you want to act on that code, you can actually mint the digital item with the collaboration partner. So it's a real world hoodie of our collab partner, along with a digital NFT, not just of that item, but in our jaw-dropping, breathtaking animation that we do. So now you're getting the physical product and the digital for whatever that mint price is. The only way you can ever get that is if you own a bot, and that bot comes from the corrupted state to a code state, and you actually act on it. Or someone buys it on the secondary market. Now, after the 40 hours or 72 hours goes away, the corrupted bot goes back to its glitchy state. This is all programmed by us. And now you're waiting for the next 2-3 months later, with things in between in a community and utility and a creative community, which I won't get into right now, but all of a sudden now, randomly again, 1,800 bots become uncorrupted, and a brand new fashion collaboration code appears on those screens. So all of this, by the way, is being put together. This November, we're releasing the Corrupted Catwalk, where you can pick an avatar, pick your music, grab all of your digital wearables that you've just now taken outside of the real world stuff you have, and strut the runway with your goods and show off your shit in a cool environment. With a lot more to it than that. So again, a lot of pieces to puzzle. So Corrupted is a massive push for us. And I'll be speaking at NFT Paris. I'm on a panel on this Saturday about the future of entertainment. We'll be talking about even that, because I still think that's a form of entertainment. So that I can tell you.
And you're speaking with some of all the massive high-end brands.
I am.
About being a part of this.
Yes.
And they're interested because they still don't know what to do with this space, and they want to collaborate with the right partners.
Well, that's right. If you look at fashion, the metaverse is a ripe environment for fashion. And you're seeing the Gucci's, the Pradas, the Dolce Gabbanas, and streetwear brands enter the space in a big bad way.
Yeah.
And we're in conversations with all of these kinds of brands. But because of the level of work that we do, because of our background and our unique ability, we're able to find these partnerships and take them to a level that they haven't been taken to yet. And that is the goal, for sure. So it's to make the right partnerships and the collaborations, make the ones that are, again, authentic to the space, but remember something. Let's just go back to the Dior example as an example. Much like we did with Scottie Pippen, if we end up doing something with Dior, you'll wear that, let's say it's a Dior hoodie. The way we're gonna design it is you're gonna take that Dior hoodie and you're gonna be able to put that on your avatar in Grand Theft Auto. You wanna wear a Dior hoodie while you're running from the cops in Grand Theft Auto? That's what you're gonna be able to do with the way we're designing it. So there's, again, purpose and meaning and another form of engagement in that space.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year is going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm going to tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone. Also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline. I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up. If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today.
Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you gonna do? What's the choice that you're going to make?